What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and today I'll be reviewing the iPhone 7 Plus. So the iPhone 7 Plus was released 3 years ago, and today it's the cheapest Plus model from Apple that you can get in the market, and I thought why not review it. Starting off with the camera. So the iPhone 7 Plus comes with a 2x optical zoom, a portrait mode 720p 240 frames per second slow motion and 4K 30 frames per second video. Now, even though the iPhone 7 Plus is 3 years old, it easily beats most of the Android smartphones in the market. And even if you exclude the video, the color and the sharpness of the photos that the iPhone 7 Plus produces is still way ahead of most of the cheap Android smartphones, and that gives iPhone 7 Plus an easy win in terms of camera. Next up, the display. So yes, the iPhone 7 Plus totally looks outdated with the huge chunk of bezels on the top and bottom. But the display quality of the iPhone 7 Plus is still better than most of the Android smartphones. The 1080p LCD panels create more accurate colors than most of the other Android smartphones in the current price range of iPhone 7 Plus. If you are not looking for something that looks futuristic and you want to go with something that has quality, then iPhone 7 Plus totally gets the win. One thing that you don't get on Androids is iOS. So believe it or not, updating iPhone 7 Plus to iOS 13 improved the overall usability of the iPhone 7 Plus, and most importantly, it improved the battery life. And on the other hand, Androids don't even get updates for 2 years, or let alone 3 years. The Pixel has stopped getting updates, and the iPhone 7 Plus, which was released practically 1 month earlier than the original Pixel, is still getting updates, and that is just amazing from Apple that it still gives you iOS 13. So should you or should you not buy the iPhone 7 Plus in 2019? If you're looking for something that has relatively premium specs at a low price, then the answer is yes. The iPhone 7 Plus with the portrait mode, 4K video quality, IP67 water resistance and 1080p display with stereo speakers still beats most of the mid-range Android smartphones in the market. And if you're looking for an iOS device that is cheap yet premium, then iPhone 7 Plus is the way to go.